Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another tutorial and recipe videos, and for today I'm gonna show you how my youngest, which will turn 7 this Christmas Eve, we made a cake that he requested. It's a character from Undertale, the games. And the character that he wants is called Muffet. She's a spider girl, and this is her. If you can see, she has a lot of hands, and also in one of her hands she usually holds a teapot, a cup, croissant, or other sweets. But instead, the teapot and the teacup on her hands, we just put a lot of croissants on her hands. She's holding croissants here and there. So yeah, the cake itself is chocolate cake with Nutella as filling and Swiss meringue buttercream for the cream, and covered with Swiss meringue buttercream. And as for the decorations, we made them out of gum paste. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So we are trying to make the character now. I divided some gum paste, which we're gonna color with black, red, and a combination of red and blue, which is gonna be purple. Just tint your white gum paste with gel food coloring, and then we're gonna knead this until the color is totally combined. Yeah. So you just want to mix it. You can definitely use the glove so that your hand won't be tinted. If it's fondant, I normally use glove, but this is only for decoration, so it's edible but we don't consume it. Now that the basic colors are done, red is for her clothing and purple is for her body and head. Black is for her hair and stockings. White is for the small decorations that she's gonna have. Muffet is basically a spider girl, so we are making a spider in the form of a girl. I have 3 balls of red gum paste here. The bigger one is for her body, which is kind of her clothing as well, her corset. And 2 of these are for her legs or pants. So we want to make them kind of oval, shape them into oval, and 1 into body and 2 into pants or legs. So this is halfway done. This is my first time ever using gum paste, and I have to tell you, it's not my favorite. I prefer to work with fondant. Gum paste dries up easily and very quick or fast. It's just like crazy. You have to hurry up. And do you see how rough it is with gum paste for me? Because as I just roll it, and it just dries up quicker than fondant, and I'm not loving it. It looks so brittle and ugly, but oh well. The dry ingredients, what I have here: 2½ cup of flour, ½ cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, pinch of salt, and 6 tablespoons of Hershey cocoa powder. Now just mix the dry ingredients until completely combined, and then we're gonna add in the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we have 2 cups of water, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. We're just gonna mix it together. So you want to mix it until completely combined. Batter is done, just put it into your mold, and then we're gonna bake it at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes. Mix 1¼ cup of sugar with 5 egg whites on top of a simmering water on double boiler. Keep stirring it until sugar is dissolved and mixture super hot to the touch. So you want to keep stirring it until sugar completely dissolve and mixture hot to the touch, about 150 degrees. So if you have a candy thermometer, that will helpful as well. Otherwise, if you don't have, you can touch the mixture, and if it's really super hot, then you are good to go. And pour hot sugar into your stand-up mixer, and you want to just knead it until completely cool before we add in our butter. Once the sugar mixture is cool, turn up your mixer, and we're gonna mix it until it's kind of foamy before we add in the butter a little at a time. Just keep mixing it until it's creamy. You will think that, oh no, what's happening? That is normal. It's kind of like gritty or soupy there, as you can see, but you have to keep mixing it. As you can see, it's slowly starting to become creamy. So yeah, just keep mixing it with your mixer. Now you can flavor or color your buttercream as you wish. I'm gonna try to make purple and pinkish. So half the cake and fill with buttercream or whatever you like. My son asked for Nutella, so I'm gonna spread some Nutella here, and then we're gonna stack it back, and then we're gonna cover it with buttercream. With your buttercream, just start covering your cake and decorate as you wish.